Apples aren't just fruit. They're a staple of American cuisine and one of Lancaster County's biggest fall-time favorites. Have you ever wondered which apple is best for what? Like eating raw, baked, or juiced for a refreshing beverage? Well, we are going to share all the answers in this video. Welcome to Apple Week at Shady Maple. Let's peel back the layers.
Apples spread through trade routes to Europe and were introduced to North America by early colonists. Cultivation expanded rapidly, establishing apples as a global agricultural staple. Today, the United States produces billions of pounds annually, with Pennsylvania contributing significantly to this output. Shady Maple sources many of its apples locally, reflecting this enduring legacy. Not all apples are equal. Let's cover some of the main apple types and highlight their best uses. Honeycrisp. Sweet, with a distinct crunch, perfect for eating raw. Granny Smith. Tart, firm, and green, excellent for pies and crisps. The classic Red Delicious. Sweet, but not overpowering. These apples are most enjoyable when eaten fresh. Gala. Mild and tender, this apple is a popular kid's lunchbox fruit. McIntosh. Soft and winey, great for ciders and baking down for apple butter. Golden Delicious, balanced and mellow, your all-purpose star. Cortland. Mild with no browning, making it great for salads. When selecting apples, feel the weight. Heavier means juicier. One medium apple, just 95 calories, 4 grams of fiber, and a vitamin C boost that rivals oranges. Soluble fiber or pectin helps reduce cholesterol, while antioxidants may lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease risk. So if you are craving something apple-centric, be sure to join us this fall season at the Shady Maple Farm Market for Apple Week and pick up farm fresh deals straight from the orchard at the Shady Maple Farm Market.